As artists, you need to master the art of repurposing content. That means turning one piece of content into three. I'll give examples using traditional art and comics. So if you have video or photo content of your art, make sure you have footage of your art up close, mid-range, and far away. To understand what I mean by that, go on Pinterest or Instagram, type in the type of art you have, and look at how people film or photograph their art. Do you see the different distances and angles? You're gonna need at least 2 clips of your art at each distance. So 2 at mid-range, 2 close up, and 2 far away. And remember our formula that lives in or on environment. If you have no clue what the formula is, please go watch this video on messaging. So when you're filming or taking photos of your art, make sure your art is in that environment. So if I'm making art for plant lovers, my art needs to be around plants because the viewer needs to know how to use your art. So then you're gonna make your content. But this is what's gonna be different. You don't need to keep filming new footage. You just need to change the order of your clips around. And your repurposed content will feel new to your audience. So here's why it works. Whether you use TikTok or Instagram, check your analytics under View Insights. Look at your average watch time and you'll see that people aren't watching your videos all the way through. So just change the clips around, have new text on screen or a new voiceover, saying the same thing as before, just in a different way. And it will still feel new to your audience. And you're using less energy. For comic writers, it's the same thing. If you make a post about your character, for your next post, zoom in on that same drawing. And remember the formula. This character is for identity that serves the function of function. If you're confused about the formula, go watch the video on messaging for comics. But you're going to talk about that same function in a different way, or give a different example or scenario for that character. So you don't need to keep drawing the same character in a different pose. Just get creative on how you present them. You can even post a full comic and in the next post, just focus on one panel in that comic. It can highlight a character dynamic or a specific scene. So repurposing your content is a skill, but it works to protect your energy and your creativity. So if you haven't joined our accountability Discord group, click the link in the bio to join.